See, it's okay.
We're going to the bathroom. It was a long way down.
It's creepy.
The toilet is the worst part of the whole trip.
I just sit there. What are you doing here?
Look at those plants.
Plants. Plantarino.
There's a lot of stairs. There's a lot of stairs. Restaurant.
It's a cafe.
I hear laughing. What the hell?
The monkey jumping. Why are you taking any pictures?
I don't know.
I don't need an animal.
Is the one was that?
This?
Oh my god! So beautiful!
I know it's a statue, but what's that? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Okay, hold on.
It looks so good.
Hold on.
Oh my god! Oh! Oh!
It's nice.
Lovebirds.
You think you very, very nice smell? Every morning I smell you.
I know.
Why do we have
So
chains?
smelly.
Go pick up down there and
Smell
go
you.
pick
Smell you.
And divide the one. Don't drop your phone.
Whoa! This is high.
Nothing. Oh, there's peacock. There's peacock.
Oh my god!
What? An eagle. Peacock. Eagle.
Did you see it?
Yeah, eagle.
It's a peacock.
I will flip it. I can't see.
Let's go. Come on, Edison. Come on, Eddie.
I didn't take pictures.
Oh my god. Look at this pond.
What is this? Like
It's a pond.
fish and fish kissing.
Oh look, there's fish.
Fish and fish kissing.
There's fishes.
Fishes and
Whoa, now this. This.
that is dangerous.
God, no. Nobody wants to trip on this, don't they? Oh.
Peacock.
Oh my god, there's a peacock. Flap your wings. Come on. Flap it.
Small. No.
Good peacock.
Good peacock, just stay. The good peacock, is just posing for us.
Hey, look at this peacock. Look at that butt. Oh, look at that butt. Look at that butt. Look at that.
Look at mine, look at mine. Look at this, guys.
Oh,
Let's go look at this.
it's twerking.
This also a bird. Stay. Those are also a bird. Hey, those are also a bird. Oh my god, this peacock's really scared.
When are you gonna flap your wings?
Never ever.
Come on. You poop. Can't you see that?
Okay, come on, let's go.
Okay.
All right. Let's go. Ooh. Look at that bird.
Whoa.
Look at that. This is so awesome.
Yeah, he flew away.
Oh, I flew away. All right, let's go. Do 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 do. Oh, so this is a trash can.
I don't want to take a picture that the peacock taking a dump. It's a small world. It's a small world. Blah, 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 blah. There's a peacock. This is also a bird.
Oh! Whoa! Oh my god. Shoot. I get any droppings?
I did it.
Alright. Look at how many plants there are in here. Damn. Oh, there's a bird. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Ooh, alright, this and pigeons.
They're feeding. Hey, I'm not a bird.
Oh, what was that?
Don't
Look at that. We'll do it. Hey, let's go together.
That is so creepy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that a hornbill?
Yes.
Hornbill.
Can't see it. There's a peacock right
I just realized there's a peacock in front of us. Shaking his booty.
You want to walk together?
Yeah.
You can't take it.
Yo. Okay. Let's go down further.
Pelicans.
Oh my god.
So many Okay. Mr. Brian, Pelican Army.
Oh my god, Pelican Army.
Take the pelican. That way.
Pelican Army. Oh my god.
Come.
Oh my god. Okay. Oh, okay.
Look at this.
Rooster. Rooster.
Zoom in.
Oh my god. Rooster. Another trash can. Oh my god, a pelican. A pelican. Pelican.
Yeah, but
There's a bird. But not the dick bird, just a bird. Oh my god. Alright, we're going in. Whoa! 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 Oh my god. Alright, what's this?
it's a bird.
It's
Great
a
hornbill.
great
Another
hornbill.
This great hornbill.
Three.
Bye. Mr. Brian, which way do we go?
Coffee. Hornbill.
Which way do we go?
Up there?
Which way do
Here?
we go?
This is one, follow me.
Okay.
Oriental pied hornbill. You can see the difference of the hornbill is actually shown at the horn and the sound that they make. Right?
They don't want to look at the real one there.
Oh, look at that black hornbill. That just flew in there. Like a boss. Oh. No, over there. It's over there.
Oh, yes.
It's an Asian black hornbill. Asian. Alright, look at that. Look at that horn in the bill. That horn in the bill. Fishing. Hey, what's the fish? Whoa. Look. Fish and bird food.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging, bro.
The hair. Hey guys. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel soon.
Okay. Alright, that is tall. Man, it's tall as F.
It's a motorcycle bird.
What? Oh, there's a motorcycle.
What the hell?
Damn.
I wish there's a ride so we do not need to walk, right?
Yeah. Oh my God, this is hard. That's what she said. Oh snap. That is a bird, dude. That's a bird.
Yeah, that's a bird. That's a bird.
What bird?
It's a man bird, man.
It's a man bird. A freaking man bird.
Very big bird.
That's what she said.
So many huge birds. Snap. Look at this tall bird.
Oh, we're locked. Help us. Help us.
Okay, ready? Everyone see
Help
the
me.
camera. Our bird cages.
No. Help me.
Bird inside the cage.
Help me. Okay, how can you do this? Alright, let's go through.
Oh, photo booth. Come on, we're friends, dude.
Yeah.
I'm recording the Come on.
Ah, photo booth.
Photo booth.
Yo, man, a photo booth. I don't want to be in here. Whoa. Hello.
Yes, me. Hello.
We agree that we are noisier than this.
I agree to the max that you are much noisier than the birds here.
Hello.
God. Blue check Amazon.
Blue check Amazon.
Blue check Amazon.
It's chilly. Strictly no entry.
Oh yeah.
Like I'm gonna follow your rules. Huh! No, just kidding.
Hey, no entry.
You got that thing over there, that thing over there, that thing over there, and of course, this thing over here. Say something to you two.
It's kind of a bird. Maddie is kind of a bird.
You're a bird. We're regrouping.
Okay, I want to tell you, we're in this junction. You see this toy and toy junction?
Yeah.
That's where we are.
Okay. Good job, digital map. Sorry guys, that is not the end. The next episode is coming out tomorrow, so be sure to be daily for this episode. So yeah, episode 2 is coming out. Yeah, I mean this is episode 2, and episode 3 is about to come out. Oh, that burp was loud. So episode 3 is coming out later on, or maybe tomorrow. So yeah. So thank you for watching this video, and always remember, never forget, we the boss!